English Learning TV. Let's have a speaking practice. Take it.
Take it.
Take it. This is great.
This is great.
This is great. Let me know.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Call him.
Call him.
Call him.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
I know.
I know.
I know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Wait inside.
Wait inside.
Wait inside.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
I know him.
I know him.
I know him.
I am sick.
I am sick.
I am sick.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
A little longer.
A little longer.
A little longer.
I can't.
I can't.
I can't.
Are you there?
Are you there?
Are you there?
Let's run away.
Let's run away.
Let's run away.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Walk ahead.
Walk ahead.
Walk ahead.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Say something.
Say something.
Say something.
You are wrong.
You are wrong.
You are wrong.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Talk with me.
Talk with me.
Talk with me.
Move aside.
Move aside.
Move aside.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Stop overthink.
Stop overthink.
Stop overthink.
Wait outside.
Wait outside.
Wait outside.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
I want to work.
I want to work.
I want to work.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Thanks for watching. Until our next speaking adventure.